Pjanic. Good ball in, Ronaldo! That's the chance he's been waiting for. And Ronaldo has taken it, and Juventus, the champions, have the lead. Lovely ball to find.
Per la Juventus ha segnato il numero 7 Cristiano Ronaldo.
To pass forward and Bentancur finds Mandzukic, and Ronaldo has his goal. 3-0 Juventus. The opportunity arrived, his eyes lit up, and in the blinking of an eye, the ball was in from Bernardeschi. Ronaldo! Doing what Ronaldo does. In their hour of need, he steps forward again. The Champions League record goal of this second half. Lifted in towards Ronaldo. What a save, Ronaldo on the follow-up. All kinds of appeals.
It's in.
And the referee's given it. Cristiano Ronaldo has done it again. And Juve from 2 down in the first leg. Juve in front. Is it ever in doubt? The man of the moment, yet again, with another special ice-cold moment that could take Juve against all odds.